Hello, I saw your question in the email. The reading speed of second graders in a large city is approximate normal with a mean of 89 words per minute and a standard deviation of 10. Now you could do it with the tables, or you did mention StatCrunch, you can do it with it. What is the probability that a randomly selected student will read more than 94 minutes words per minute? So this part A is really nothing new. Go back to look at section 7.2. I mean, there's nothing new. There's nothing from chapter 8 in this. You just take your mean. You got access to normal calculator. Click on Stat Calculator. Choose the normal calculator. You put your mean 89 words, standard deviation 10 words per minute, and you want more than 94 words a minute, so you do greater than 94, click compute, and it gives you this area here, which is 0.3085, which is what you have here. So that's nothing new. That just comes from 7.2. Now down here in part B, they start getting into some new stuff. Now, what is the probability that a randomly sample of 11 second graders students from the city result in a mean rate of more than 94. So here we're taking random sample size 11. Well, that relates to this new stuff. And what the mean of the sample is same as the mean of the population. So that's 89, which was given up there. The standard deviation of the sample, the formula for calculating it's the standard deviation of the population divided by the square root of n. And so, that was standard for the population's 10, and then the sample size is 11, so 10 over square root of 11. So you'd rework this problem. The only number you don't change is the standard deviation. You need to put this in the calculator. 10 over square root of 11, you put that here. Then you click compute, and you'll get the new probability here. Hope that helps.